Local news for Thursday, the 18th of January. General Manager of the New Zealand Dairy Industry Awards, Chris Keeping, says it's just as important for farmers to take a break as any other person. However, entrants in the New Zealand Dairy Awards have used their summer holiday to prepare for the 2018 competitions, will be one step ahead of their competitors. The awards, which oversee the Share Farmer of the Year, Dairy Manager of the Year and Dairy Trainee of the Year competitions, received 374 entries prior to Christmas and are looking forward to this year. The events are useful for entrants as they prepare for judging, which begin for the Dairy Trainee competition of the year in Wairarapa on the 24th of this month. The timetable for the national rollout of the bowel screening program has been revised to enable more time to develop the national screening solution technology required to run it. Hutt Valley and Wairarapa DHB commenced their screening programs in July of last year. Clinical Director Dr Susan Parry says the ministry has been working with DHBs since 2012 to increase colonoscopy capacity and reduce waiting times, contributing $19 million to support these endeavours. And in sport, it was a good start to the 2018 year for Giants softball last weekend. The Prem 2s, 3s, Presidents and Women all picking up wins. Here's hoping to a repeat of that success this weekend.